It's reality. Once I get job as fresher, my major work going to be modeling part. Okay. Yeah, expectations versus reality. Yeah, that's a nice question. Sounds to be funny, but let me give you the real thing. During the phase of learning all this machine learning, majority of the people, they start thinking that I'll be investing more time on building models. Okay, that is what the expectations they will be. They'll expect that we need to invest lot amount of time in building the models. But if you go to IT industry, and here the reality comes, you will invest most of your time cleaning the data, and you will invest only 10% of your time only in modeling the data, modeling part. So this is one expectation versus reality, I can say. And while at the learning phase, people will think that me as a data scientist, I'll build a model. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, Karthik. Yes. Perfectly audible.
Yeah. So what happens is, in most of the cases, at the time of growing the skill set, they'll think that I'll be doing this machine learning backend procedure, and I'll be cleansing the data, or I'll be dealing with this data, I'll be modeling the data. But the reality is, whatever you have modeled, you have to showcase it to the client so that the client can get understand. But here comes the check. The client don't know all the machine learning concepts. So this is the funny part. So you have to handle that. So here comes the rescue, where you have to deal with explainability of how your model is behaving on that particular data point. For example, you have given a data point, and your model has predicted that a particular thing. Your client will ask you that why this model has predicted this particular data point in such a way. So you should be in a position to explain that. You should not explain by taking your Python interface and starts executing your code and showcasing that this is the value I got. You should explain him in such a way that he'll understand. So this is where the explainability comes, and this is a whole lot of new game, guys. Not many of the people are experts in this. So you have Shapley, which is called game theory, which works on completely game theory. So Shapley comes to your rescue. We have Lime, which is local interpretability, model expectations, and all these kind of things. So there are a number of packages which will definitely rescue you, and which will give you the explanation of your model to your client. So this is one of the reality. So I am alarming you guys in advance so that this won't be an expectation versus reality to you guys once you enter into the IT industry, because it is what I have faced. Because I thought I can invest more amount of time in my modeling part, but only 10% or 15% of the time is invested in modeling part, and rest of the 85% is being invested on data cleansing. How far your data is healthy in terms of carrying forward and applying the analysis on it. That's how you have to prepare the data in such a healthy way. I hope I have answered this question.